The UKIS giving out 55,000 COS for seasonal workers, visas, in horticulture and poultry. Join me as I try to land a free visa to work in the UK without any experience. Can I really pull it off? UK Seasonal Work Visa. Your gateway to a new life in the UK. The UK Seasonal Work Visa allows individuals to work in the UK for up to 6 months in seasonal roles, such as farming, agriculture, and horticulture. This visa is a fantastic opportunity for those looking to explore new work environments and broaden their horizons, even without prior experience. Here's a detailed breakdown of the visa application process and essential tips to improve your chances of approval. 1. Eligibility criteria. To be eligible for the UK Seasonal Work Visa, you must be at least 18 years old, have a job offer from an approved UK employer. These employers are typically in the farming, food production, or horticultural sectors. Intend to work for a temporary period up to 6 months, primarily for picking fruits, vegetables, or working in plant nurseries. Meet financial requirements. You need to show that you can support yourself financially during your stay, typically by having savings of around £1,270, or a confirmation from the employer that they'll provide accommodation. 2. How to apply. Step-by-step guide. Step 1. Find an approved employer. Start by searching for UK employers or agencies that offer seasonal work. Several UK farms or agencies may sponsor visas, and you can find these by checking official UK government websites or platforms like JobBank. Step 2. Secure a job offer. Contact potential employers and apply for seasonal roles. If you meet their criteria, you'll receive a certificate of sponsorship, which is required for your visa application. Step 3. Apply for the Seasonal Work Visa. Go to the UK government's visa application website, fill out the Seasonal Worker Visa T5 application form, and upload the required documents. Your passport or other valid travel document. The certificate of sponsorship reference number provided by your employer. Proof of savings, bank statements showing at least £1,270. Step 4. Pay the application fee. You will need to pay a visa application fee, which is usually £259, but this can vary based on your location and situation. Step 5. Attend biometric appointment. As part of your visa application, you'll need to schedule an appointment to provide biometric information, fingerprints, and photo at a visa application center. Step 6. Wait for your visa decision. Once you submit your application and attend the biometric appointment, you'll need to wait for a decision. The processing time is usually around 3 weeks, but this can vary. ####3. Tips to boost your chances of approval. Research and apply early. The demand for seasonal workers can be high, so apply as early as possible. Ensure your documents are complete and correct. A small mistake can delay or even jeopardize your application. Show proof of financial stability. This is a key part of the application, so make sure your savings meet the requirements. Highlight your willingness to work. Many employers look for hardworking individuals with a positive attitude, even if you lack prior experience in the field. 4. What you can do on a seasonal work visa. Work for the approved employer who offered you the sponsorship. You can switch employers, but they must also be approved sponsors. Enjoy the opportunity to travel within the UK, meet new people, and experience British culture. 5. Bonus tips. Networking. Reach out to former seasonal workers via forums or social media groups to get first-hand tips on the job experience. Upgrade your skills. While experience isn't necessary, learning some basic agricultural skills may make you stand out to employers. Stay informed. Seasonal work schemes may change, so stay updated on UK immigration news to ensure you are applying under the right terms. 6. Why this visa can change your life. Seasonal work in the UK provides you with a chance to earn money, experience a new culture, and build your international work experience. It could open doors to other opportunities within the UK or even in other countries, giving you a head start on future career plans.